All right, y'all boys, man, as y'all can tell by the title, we got the first in real life basketball video or in real life gameplay from my end. This time, I'm not behind the screen, dissecting a pick and roll or talking shit about an NBA player. You know what I'm saying? This will be the first video y'all will actually see me play for real, for real. So, yeah, but before I start this shit up, I did want to give a message out there to any young niggas that hoop, because I know it's January 25th or January 24th, whatever it is, and we already about to be in February, so trials is already done. All right, I'm 21 now. I haven't seen the fucking high school gym in God knows when, but I know what time and I know how this shit work because I did hoop when I was younger. So if there's any niggas that's out there that got cut, or niggas that not even just niggas that got cut, dudes in general, because some dudes make the high school teams or even middle school teams. This video for the dudes who 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, it don't matter what it is, from middle school to high school. Some dudes make the team and they think that it is what it is now, which that's not, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna get woke up soon. But mostly for niggas who got cut, if I can give any advice to, if anybody was to come across this video that got cut, that's 8th to 10th or 11th. Nah, not 11th. I ain't gonna lie. You might want to start heading up a different road. But I'm wild. But but if there's any nigga that got cut on some real shit, if I can give you advice, I would say try not to put too much expectations on yourself, because I feel like once you love to do some shit, you know what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I don't really gotta say that, but niggas know what they need to do, and I feel like anything other than that, just the extra shit outside of, if I gotta wake up at 8, if I gotta wake up at 9, if I gotta wake up at 10, I know I need to do that. You know what I'm saying? To go probably run or probably go shoot a bunch of shots or condition or just anything that got to do with hoop related. If there's anything extra than that, because that shit is already like mentally. Sometimes that shit can get mentally a lot. But anything on top of that, expectations from yourself or even just niggas that's in the way, family members can do it. You know what I'm saying? I would feel like try to block that shit out in a way. Like, I feel like if I was younger and with the mindset I got right now, which is impossible to do that shit, but if I had the mindset I have right now back then, when I go to hoop, I feel like I would try to, like I said, the expectations, but secondly, I would probably like unplug from that shit in a certain way. I feel like I would try to find more things to do outside of just hooping. You know what I'm saying? Because even that shit to a certain point can drain a nigga and have a nigga, I wouldn't say not playing is good, but I feel like it gets too much to a certain point. You know what I'm saying? When you start to do something a lot, and then you add on the expectations, this shit can start feeling like a chore. And it feel like, am I doing this shit because I love it, or am I doing this shit for other reasons? And I feel like once you get in that mindset, you really got to snap out of that shit, like seriously. Because it can, like, if you trying to hoop, you just got to have fun with that shit. You just got to love to do it for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? And then when you stop doing it, when you unplug from it, you come back, it feel like you got a fresh breath of it, if that makes sense. But that's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to talk y'all head off. But like I said, this is the first hooping video, so hopefully y'all enjoy this shit and understand why I be on these NBA players' ass for playing like shit